Hey, what's up, guys? This is the video. I made a mistake, an error in the last final filler. I let somebody have a spot in the final that wasn't in the main, and I didn't catch it. So I'm just trying to make things right here. So I took away those 5 spots because, of course, that member got top spot and got 5 spots. So trying to just do the right thing here and took those spots away, and I'm just going to razz them between the people that haven't won. So this is the video for those 5 spots. Looking for top 2. First gets 4, second gets the one spot. We're live. 740, 740. We have the list here. We have 7 entries. Jeffrey on the top, Carm on the bottom. 2 dice, 5 or higher. Got 7 times 740. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. You got Carm on the top, Michael on the bottom. We need, well, good luck. Coming away at 740. 740. Last and final roll. Top spot gets 4. Second spot gets 1. Congratulations goes to spot 5, Michael. Spot 11, Carm. Congratulations, Michael. Please pick your spots in the main. We are done. 741, 741. Congratulations again, you two. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. See you in the main.